So I'm in a 2014 Model S here and doing a supercharge for the first time after installing the new version 11 software. And the first thing I've noticed is we've no longer got the charging information up on the main screen. If I press the charging icon at the top there, we've lost all the information. We've lost the graphics, the current charge rate, and the key thing is the ability to adjust your maximum charge capacity. So all we've got now is a stop charging button. So the information which was up there is now on the main dash, and we've got 30 minutes left, charging at 46 kilowatt, shows you how much it's been adding and the miles per hour. We've got the battery, the current battery capacity, state of charge, down there, 61%. But yeah, it would be nice if all of this was up on the screen as it used to be. I know you can access all of that in the app, and you can adjust your maximum charge capacity in the app, but there's going to be times where you don't have the app for the car you're driving. For example, you might not have the phone on you, or it might be someone else's vehicle, or recently I've had a couple of Tesla loan vehicles where of course you don't have access to that car in your app. So the app should always be a replication of what's on the screen. You should have full control on the screen. So that's another big step back, I think, in this new version 11 software. It just seems crazy that they've left all this blank space here on the charging screen with no information now, and they're putting it up there. You know, all this is just software, so it should be up there and it should be replicated here. So if you go into the menu, you can see everything in more detail than what's up on that screen. And it gives you choices, because people want to access this information in different ways. And when you've got a page here or a screen here with no information, why remove it all? It just doesn't seem to make any sense. Another area for improvement, I think, is while you're charging, you may want to have YouTube or Netflix up. And when you do that, the main dash goes blank. It gets disabled because you can't drive. So that's fair enough. But why blank it? Why not leave the charging information up there? Because when you're watching something here, you still want to know what's the car's doing, what the charging is doing, which you do have up here. It's currently says 69%, but you know, very small, not much information. It just seems to make sense that they could keep charging information up there on that screen rather than just turning it off and making it go blank completely. Anyway, that's my little moan done. I hope Tesla see all of this feedback from customers and release a new 11.1 shortly with a few of these problems ironed out. It's just a shame as well that there isn't a way of communicating feedback back to Tesla. But anyway, there we go. If you found this video useful, please do click the thumbs up. As always, do comment, and I'll see you on the next one.